AI, workflows, agents, so many different things around. And in today's video, I'm going to explain you in a simple way what's the difference. And the bonus is we are going to build our first AI agent in Python. Hey guys, my name is Vlad and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back and thank you so much for your support. In this video, we're gonna talk about AI agents. It's a really popular topic and I want you know about it. And another important thing, today we are going to build our first AI agent. We are going to use agent development kit from Google in Python language. It will be simple agent, but it gives you understanding of how you can use it and how you can develop it. I'll try to do it in a simple way for you can follow and do it without any troubles. I recommend you watch this video till the end because at the end of this video, you will have your first AI agent. If you're ready, then let's get started. Let me give you the simple explanation of AI agent and workflows. Basically, AI is the brain that knows how to do the tasks, like translate the text or identify the image, but it doesn't choose when or how to use that knowledge. Workflows are fixed steps of instructions. For instance, when a thing's triggered, do step 1, then step 2, then step 3, exactly with no extra thinking. For instance, it could be a new row to email alert. For example, when someone filled a Google Sheet, a workflow automatically sends you an email summary. And AI agent combines that brain with body and tools, so it can decide what steps to take, handle surprises, and carry out multiple step jobs on its own. It means you can have a robot that could make certain decisions on your behavior. For instance, it could be like a smart inbox assistant. It could read new emails, summarize them, draft replies, and even send follow-ups. Or it could be your travel planner bot. For instance, you can ask AI agent, book me a weekend in Chiang Mai. It will research flight, pick up the best prices, reserve a hotel, and send everything to your email. Probably some of you think it's really complicated things to build, but don't worry. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way how you can build your first AI agent. We are going to use new things from Google. It's called Google's Agent Development Kit, or ADK. The Google Agent Development Kit, or ADK, is an open source framework for building, managing, and deploy AI agents. It's designed to simplify the creation of complex multi-agent systems and makes agent development feel more like software development, basically. And the good things, it's model agnostic. It means it can work with various models and platforms. So basically, ADK gives you everything you need to build agents fast. It handles the hard parts, so you just write the code and connect different tools. If you want to read a little bit more about ADK, I will leave a couple of links under the description for this video. Okay, let's try to build our first agent. It will be a smart content assistant. We will use Gemini API. To build an agent, you would need Visual Studio Code or other IDEs, Python language, few dependencies, and Agent Development Kit from Google. The first step, we are going to install Agent Development Kit, open the terminal, and insert this command. If you will see this error, it means you have to run this command inside a virtual environment. So you use this command first to create virtual environments, and then with pip command, you can install Google's ADK. So as you can see, everything is okay now. Okay, let's open Visual Studio Code. I will create my first file. I will call it agent.py. In this file, we will keep the main code of the agent. Then we need to create init file to mark the folder as a package. Inside this file, we will need to import our agent file. Then let's create env file where we will store our private API keys. We will need one for Google. The next step, we are going to request API key for Gemini, open aistudio.google.com, then click Get API Key at the top right corner and create API Key button, select a project, and then click the Create API Key button. After that, copy your key, make sure to keep it private, because it's equal to password and paste it inside your environment variable file. Okay, let's try to run web interface for our ADK and check if everything is okay. You can use ADK web command inside your terminal, and then you will see the web interface. Keep in mind, if you run this command inside the project folder, you won't see the agent in the interface. As you can see, in my top left corner, there is a menu and there is nothing there. And the reason for that is because you run the command inside the project folder. To fix it, you have to go back at the level above and rerun the same command. ADK web, and then in the web interface you will see the project folder with your agent. As you can see right now in the interface, I can see ADK example. This is my agent. I can't do anything yet because I didn't write any code yet. Let's go back to VS Code into our agent.py file and write our code there. At the top, I will import all dependencies first. The main dependencies are Google Generative AI and Google ADK agents. We are going to import our .env file to use our API keys. After that, we will create 3 functions. One, generate ideas. This function will ask Gemini to brainstorm blog post idea for the topic. Another function will be write content. Based on the ideas from the previous steps, we'll ask Gemini to write for me the blog for about 300 words. And the last function will be format draft. So I will ask Gemini to format the draft. As we've done with the functions, then we will define our 3 LLM agents. The first one will be topic agent. For all agents, we need to provide the name, description, short instruction, tools that it's going to use. In our case, it's our functions and output keys. The model here is just metadata, so you don't have to specify it if you don't want. Okay, let's do the same for the draft agent and format agent. And the last step, we need to put all of them in sequential agent pipeline. We are going to use sequential agent class from ADK. Inside the class, we need to define the name of the agents. So basically 3 agents that we defined in the previous steps and a short description. So in my example, first agent will brainstorm the topic. Then it will draft the idea for the blog. And after that, it will format the blog in MD format. All these steps will be sequential, so I won't need to do anything. I just run the agent and the rest it will does for me. Okay, the code is ready. Let's try to run it. If you don't want to use web interface, you can run an agent inside the terminal. Simply use command ADK run and name of your project. In my instance is a ADK example. It's a project folder name. Then write your prompt. For example, AI tool for writing. And let's see the agent in action. As you could see, first it gives me idea for the topics. Then the agent will pass this data to another agent that will write for me the blog articles for these topics. Let's see if it can does it. Okay, as you can see, this is my short articles. And after that, this agent should pass this data to the next agent that will create for me output in Markdown format. And as you could see, everything is working fine. Of course, it's really simple example, but I hope it gives you understanding of how it's work. Let's try to do the same things inside the web interface. Inside the terminal, write ADK web, and then open the browser and open this URL address. Then inside this web interface, in the left-hand corner, select the agent. For example, in my case, it's ADK example. And here you can write your first prompt. As you remember, I have to give the topic for my agent. This time it will be AI blog ideas. And as you could see, the agent started. You can look at the left-hand side. There is information about the agent. You will see the output from each tab. So it gives you understanding how everything is working. So after first tab is go to the next tab and the next tab. And finally it gives you final result. As you can see, with this simple ADK. You can build AI agents so easy and so simple. There are plenty of possibilities how you can utilize it. You can automate a lot of works that you are doing, and the most important things, you can do it locally, and if you want, you can deploy it on the cloud server. If you are interested in how to do it, please let me know in the comments below, and if I see a lot of requests, then probably I will make the video about it. And that's it. I hope this video gives you understanding the difference between AI, workflows, and AI agents. And I hope you follow me and you create your first agent already. If you did, please share with me. I'm really curious to see what you did. Thank you so much for you watching this video. Thank you so much for your support. It's really important for me. If you like this video, please click like. If you don't like this video, it's okay. You can click dislike, but please share with me your feedback and comments below. Subscribe to my channel to don't miss any other useful videos. Please share this video with your friends. Maybe some of them really need help with this topic. And I hope to see you in my next videos. Thank you. Bye.